Hello friends, welcome back to my channel The Blessed Week Tarot and Guidance. Today I am going to do a general reading for the zodiac sign Aries, and today's topic is how will be your next 2 months. If you have your sun, moon or rising in Aries, you can refer to this reading. And this is a timeless reading, so whenever you watch this reading it will be applicable for the next 2 months starting from that particular date. And also please watch this reading till end, because I will pull out few guidance cards from Moonology card deck. So now let's begin the reading. Let me shuffle the cards a bit. We are almost done. Divine, please guide me. How will be the next 2 months for Aries? Yes, done. Aries. For the first month, we got 6 of Swords, 2 of Swords, Page of Cups, Knight of Cups, and 3 of Wands. Then the Emperor, Knight of Swords, King of Cups, 2 of Pentacles, Queen of Pentacles. Bottom of the deck we got Page of Wands. It means might be some messages, some good news related to your career, to your study is coming towards you. Okay, let me proceed with the reading. With the 6 of Swords card, I am seeing that in the coming first month, your life situation is gradually improving. If you are facing any issues in past, then those issues are approaching a peaceful resolution, as it is clearly indicated in this picture that here we have stormy water and here it is calm and still water. So this guy is sailing this boat towards the still water. So likewise your life situations, your life issues will get peaceful resolution, but the process is, it will be improving gradually, not suddenly. With the 2 of Swords card, I am seeing that you are in a kind of stuck situation. You are blindfolded. You are not open to opportunities. You are in guarded mode. You are just simply saying no to the opportunities without seeing them properly, without analyzing them, and you are stuck. You have lack of freedom. So here, Aries, what you need to do, you can only help yourself. You need to drop the swords down and remove this blindfold and be open to the situations, be open to the opportunities. Saying yes or no, that is not the matter. But first you need to look into the issues, look into the situation. Then only, because of this, you might lose some good opportunities, Aries. You need to get out of this energy. Page of Cups. With this Page of Cups card, I am seeing that you can get some good news related to love relationship in the first month, in the next first month. Okay, for some of you it can be a proposal from your partner. It can be an engagement news, marriage news. For some of you it can be a childbirth news. Okay, anything, any news, any message related to your love relationship you can expect in the next month, first month. Knight of Cups. Knight of Cups is a card of flirtiness, card of romance. Might be you are thinking to approach your love partner with a proposal, with a love proposal or marriage proposal, or somebody coming towards you with a love proposal. Might be and it's both the cards are complementing each other. I feel like you are going to give some good news, or you are going to propose your love partner in the next month. This guy inside this card is very romantic, but bit flirtatious also, and you will resolve your career and finance issues also in a tactful way. Okay, and with this Three of Wands card, I am seeing that you have a broader vision regarding your life in the next month. You will have a plan ready with you, but you are kind of waiting for something or waiting for somebody. Okay, you have everything, you have the plan ready with you, you know what you need to do now, what are your goals, you are clear about your ideas, but still you are not taking action. Might be you are waiting for something, or you don't want to leave the comfort zone. But here is the advice for you, Aries, that you need to take action now. No more waiting. You need to leave your comfort zone. You need to stop waiting for someone or something. You just need to take action now, because you have a brilliant idea, brilliant plan for you, your future. Okay, Aries. For the second month, we got Emperor. As per Emperor card, I am seeing that career wise you will be doing very good. You will be excelling in your career in the second month, but you will become little dominating, little prideful, and less emotional in the next month. You will be always in a practical mode. You will be taking decisions practically. Even if your love matters also, you will become more practical. Okay, your decisions will be based on your facts. You are no more driven by the emotions. Okay, career wise you will be doing very good. People around you will give respect. You will have the authority. You will have strong power. You will be very powerful in your career. Might be you will grab a powerful position in your career in the second month. Knight of Swords card. This card indicates hurriness, quick-minded approaches. You will be little impatient to achieve your goals in the second month. You will take actions rapidly towards your goals, and sometimes if you are taking actions towards finances, rapid actions, actually you need to take a pause, because financial decisions should be taken with a strategical approach. Okay, so the next is King of Cups. Now here in this card you have become little emotional, or maybe you will encounter some person who will be emotional in his approach, who is very kind, generous, who takes decisions emotionally. Might be you will meet this kind of person. You have to encounter this kind of person in the second month. Two of Pentacles card says that you will be juggling between two things. You will be trying to multitask, and sometimes finding difficulty in maintaining the balance. You will be trying to handle your work, your profession and personal life at a time. And here is a suggestion for you, Aries, that prioritize your tasks. First decide which task has the most priority for you, then work on that thing. After finishing of that thing, then jump into the next thing. Otherwise this kind of multitasking will leave you in an imbalanced state. With the Queen of Pentacles card, I can see might be you will encounter a lady who is very wealthy, healthy and generous by nature, who will be full of money making ideas, good business ideas. You might get help from such lady in the next second month. This lady is so kind and generous enough to help you financially. She will share her finances with you. She will give you share her ideas with you, money making ideas with you. So she can be your love partner also. Okay. Now let's take few guidances from Moonology, Raquel Bake. Divine, please guide me. What are the guidances for Aries for next 2 months? Aries, next 2 months. Financial. Yes, done. Communication is key. Okay. Balance spirituality and practicality. Here we got the card of imbalance, card of juggling, and you got the guidance like balance spirituality and practicality. What does it mean? Just you need to maintain balance within your body and mind as well. Okay, communication is the key. Okay, it seems like you don't have communication for a long time with your partner, and here we got 2 communication cards. You are going to propose someone, your love partner, and here a good communication, a good news is coming towards you. So definitely you will get some good news in the upcoming 2 months. So Aries, this is all about your reading. I hope you liked the reading. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Stay tuned to my channel for next readings. Till then, keep smiling, count your blessings. God bless you. Bye bye.